Good morning to you all. First, I like to thank our management, our principal sir, vice principal ma'am, PRO ma'am, and my beloved HOD of computer science for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I introduce myself. I am Satya, assistant professor from the Department of Computer Science. It is great to see you all here. Thanks for coming this wonderful online course. Today we are here to know about cyber security, which is very beneficial for our day-to-day life. Introduction about cyber security. The term cyber security is used to refer to the security offered through online services to protect your online information. So it is mainly used for the security purpose to protect your online information. In this cyber security, we are going to see about how to protect your online information and what are the technologies are available to protect your information. And next, in this the previous slide, in the day-to-day life, many people getting connected to internet. So we need security is the main purpose for our online information. So cyber security plays an important role for the people's safe and security. Next, to understand the cyber security. So what is the meaning of word cyber and what is the need of the cyber security and what are the security problems in cyber field, how to implement and maintain security of your cyber field around us. We mainly focus for these 4 points and how to maintain these four in our surroundings. Next, the meaning of the word cyber. It is related to the internet and information and technology to study about the virtual reality and organization. It is related to safeguard of the information. It's called cyber security. Next, need of cyber security. So why we need this cyber security and why we are all using this cyber security? It is necessary. It helps in securing data from threats such as some hackers steal our information or data. They misuse our informations. For example, a company maintains some informations. The hackers steal our information and sell that information to another company. For example, in the real world, we face some issues like somebody called and messaged. They said, apply for this policy. You won 1 lakh prizes in the online purchase. Like that, they misuse our information. So, that purpose, we need the cyber security. Next, major security problems. So, what are the major security problems occur in this cyber security means viruses, hackers, malware, Trojan horses, password cracking. Viruses and worms. So virus is a program that is loaded onto our computer without our knowledge and runs against our wishes. So virus is like a program that can load it in your computer without our knowledge. It can run without against your wishes. Solution. So to avoid these types of virus, you need a solution. The solution is install a security suite that protects the computer against threats such as viruses and worms. So you can install any security viruses, virus softwares like antivirus softwares, Avast, AVG, like that antivirus softwares you have to install in your computer. Then only you can prevent your information. Some antivirus softwares visible here like AVG, Avast, Security Essentials, like that. You have to install these softwares in your laptop. You prevent your information. Next, hackers. In a common hackers is a person who breaks into your computers usually by gaining to access your to administrative controls. So hacker is a person breaks your computer. They gaining your informations and they act as administrative controls. So in between the system and the user, you can act like administrative controls and hack your informations. Types of hackers. So white hat hackers, grey hat hackers, black hat hackers. So white hat hackers, these types of hackers are ethical hackers. They act for a good purpose. For example, anyone theft your product or anything, that useful purpose they can hack your information. So white hat hacker is a hacking for good purpose. Next, grey hat hackers. Grey hat hackers is in between intermediate of the white hat hackers and the black hat hackers. And black hat hackers, it is opposite to the white hat hackers. Next, how to prevent hacking. It may be impossible to prevent computer hacking, however, effective security controls, including strong passwords and the use of firewalls, can help. So, use a strong password, it can help your informations. A strong password means you have to give a strong passwords like some alphabetic or small difference, small letters and alphabetic capital letters difference, and some special characters like hash. At symbol, like the different varieties you have to maintain in your password. You can easily prevent your passwords and information. Next, malware. The word malware comes from the term malicious software. The malware is a software that infects the damage a computer system without the owner's knowledge or permission. So malware is one type of software that can infect your computer without your knowledge and your permission. Some software is visible here: viruses, trojans, rootkits, worms, spyware, crimeware, adware. To stop malware, so download an antivirus program that also helps prevent your infections. Activate network threat protection firewall antivirus. So you can stop your malware. You can download anti-malware program that can help to prevent your informations like that. So activate your network threat protection. Trojan horses. Trojan horses are email viruses that can duplicate themselves, steal your information, or harm the computer systems. These viruses are the most serious threats to computers. So Trojan viruses are email viruses, like they can send some link to your email. You click that email, that can easily spread your laptop. So these types of viruses are email viruses, and these types of viruses are nowadays very popular in the field. How to avoid Trojans? Security suits such as Avast Internet Security will prevent you for downloading Trojan horses. So you can avoid Trojans. You can install security suits like Avast and Internet Security that can prevent your information. Password cracking. So password attacks by the hackers that are able to determine passwords or find passwords to different protected electronic areas and social network sites. So password cracking is easily they can crack your informations easily, like different sites. You can give different passwords that can prevent your informations. So give a strong password and different passwords in different sites that can help to prevent your informations. They can easily hack your password with the help of social network sites and some electronic areas. They can easily hack your information. So you can give a strong password and gives different password with different slides. Next, securing password. So use always strong password. Never use same password for two different sites. So don't give a same password to two different sites. Give a different password and use a strong password like some special characters, numbers, and capital and small letter difference. Cyber security is everyone's responsibility. Yes, cyber security is everyone's responsibility to provide our information. This cyber security is everyone's responsibility to protect your informations easily. Next, cyber security strategy in India. So these four strategies: security policy, capacity buildings, research and development, international collaboration. These four strategies are working in back of the cyber security. India stands 10th in the cyber crime in the world. The other countries list is visible here. USA, China, Germany, like that. So India is in 10th place. And 8 biggest crime attacks in 2012. So some crime attacks in 2012 happened. One cyber theft and They hacked the informations, and another is Android owners memory cards and passwords. They can hack different card numbers and LinkedIn passwords, card numbers, like that. They can hack. The biggest attacks happened in 2012. The finally conclusions. I hope that my presentation will helpful for my audience to improve their knowledge about cyber security, and also it helps to spread awareness among normal people about emerging security threats. So thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you.